Bitch, I'm still alive, it's a blessing. Peeped a lot of niggas ain't gang. They just come around me for gain. Doing me, I'm in my own lane. Look, hey.
I don't know where to go because I'm ugly. F it, it don't matter. What's up, y'all? It's the real JaePooh, and I did say the real JaePooh because I am the girl your man wants to do. No, I'm just playing. But anyway, so today I'm about to be showing y'all how I dye my hair. I know y'all like, why you got this Colombian on? Listen, I ain't getting the tub yet, so I'm about to go ahead and get in the tub. But anyways, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all how I dye my hair first. Just dumb. Anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all how I dye my hair. So first, and let me tell y'all something. Don't get the bashing and doing all that hating in my comments. The first thing I'm gonna do is boil the water. So as you can see, it's been boiling. It's a little too hot for me in my liking. Hold on now, sis. Hold on now, sis. So excuse all these seasonings and other things of such. So we're just gonna use this little container. Yes, it has some little food stains in there, but it's okay. You know, it's not coming out anyways. So we're just gonna put the boiled water in here. Woo! Hot. Wow, that was not enough. So we're gonna come back and boil some more so it can be a little bit more full.
12 seconds later.
I got in the shower and all that, so now I'm out the tub and the water finally finished boiling. So yeah, y'all see the scene, woo woo, boom. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put the dye in there, but first I gotta figure out where I'm about to prop the camera so y'all can see. So anyways, after this, you're gonna go ahead and squeeze the color in there. I'm gonna hide the, oh. I hope y'all can see everything I'm doing. Cause ain't nobody got time for me. Put the camera down, you feel me? I'm trying. So then you're gonna grab your bundles of spoiled brat, cause that's the best hair in town. If you ain't got spoiled brat, your hair is shitty. You're gonna unravel the bundles from spoiled brat. Whew. Oh wait, that's not what we're gonna do first. I'm messing up. So we're gonna swiggle this around.
L2K.
This looks blue. I think the beauty supply just jugged me. Woo! You ain't never had no bundles like this. Don't even lie. Alright, right now we just gonna insert some intro music because I ain't got time.
Fuck a key, nigga. Heard you paid for the.
Stop the music. So now we just gonna drop that thing in there. Low key, we wasn't supposed to do that, but at this point it's too late. So you shouldn't grab some scissors. What you should grab is like, you know, a comb of some sorts, which is right here.
Always out the city. I got crying for me at my show like I'm dressed. Like to do my little dance on them hoes, yeah, they dig it. Got these other niggas acting like some hoes, they in they feelin'. Don't know how these niggas doing, but it's gravy on my side. You in the car, you gotta have a gun, that's how I ride. You know they like to grow some nuts and try you on the timeline. Can't even pay his phone bill, he hating on the Wi-Fi. Damn, you could've spent the time with your kids. I've been spending time with mine, that's just how a nigga is. I don't need no recognition, that's just how a nigga live. Every nigga.
I low-key feel like I need some more dye. Yeah, I do. Basically, this was a fail. This is hot. So it's day 2. As you can see, this is the color it turned out to be.
Rap niggas really ain't shit. I hop out that Audi. My niggas, they taking your. Got my rich niggas on the list. I trap, I sell them birds. Yo, main nigga, can I serve? I hop out with sticks, I'm making him nervous. No, wait, how I'm gonna press all these but they broken, ain't got no purpose. She know that I'm hot, so she lurking. I grab the 40 and it get to twerking. Yo, main nigga, yes, I be curving. I make more money than a virgin. You trapping, ain't gon' make it worth it. You niggas not trapping, we know you not working. No way, I make that shit in a day. I know your pockets be hurting. Back to back, we got to merge, and they wasn't with me, now they lurking. She stupid, why she think she perfect? I was 15 when them niggas was stirring. Little gang know that she foreign, that pussy, so she get to purring. Dope in the room got me slurring. I see the light to broke cause a curtain. Outside the front, so they searching. Go through the back, and I get to swerving. Dope in the back, got me nervous. Cop at the light, so I get to turning. My plug at the end of the block. I cop a P, we get to pouring. Trapping. I'm trapping. What? That's the shit.
And I'm still spinning Pakiana. It says Papiana, killing everybody. Big neck Ariana. People have to give me Tatiana. Big bang bitch no one. 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 Big bang. Count it up. Big house. I'm here. Geeked up. Off the bill. Sunny girl.
Like every day, I don't never say and I don't never hate. I'm a soldier bitch and they so snake. They don't know themselves at all, but I know I'm a great period.